Before starting the news, we would like to hear your opinion on the following poll. Today's question: should there be more or less privatization of veterans' health care? Kindly press the like button and comment your answer in the comment section given below. We are anxious to hear from you. Now let's move on to the news. Just in, Adam Schiff is about to crack as Attorney General Barr promises to get to the bottom of Russia probe. Baish opinion on Friday, Democratic Representative Adam Schiff of California bashed Attorney General William Barr's investigation of the nearly two-year witch hunt into allegations of collusion between the 2016 Trump campaign and Russia. Schiff stated that Barr was taking part in the Trumpification of the DOJ. Barr says Trump's campaign was spied upon. Trump claims treason. Both are incendiary. Neither is true. Barr suggests a finger was put on the scale to affect the election. But the Trump probe was kept secret, the Clinton one wasn't. It's the Trumpification of the DOJ. Schiff's comments come days after the chair of the House Intelligence Committee called for Barr's resignation after he refused to speak with Congressional Democrats regarding Robert Mueller's no collusion report. Schiff published a scathing op-ed in USA Today last Friday directly accusing Barr of misleading the country after he declined to indict President Trump of obstructing justice. William Barr should resign, Schiff wrote. The public servants there and in similar offices around the country deserve an attorney general who shares their abiding commitment to the rule of law, demonstrates strength and independence, speaks truth to power and represents no one person, but all Americans. That makes Bill Barr the second most dangerous man in the country. It also renders him grossly unfit for office, Schiff continued. He went on to accuse Barr of doing the president's bidding. When you hear the Attorney General say he wants to look into what he calls spying into the president's campaign, what's your first reaction? Questioned an ABC News reporter. It's stunning to hear the top law enforcement officer in the country talk so cavalierly about spying on a political campaign. This must be very pleasing for Donald Trump, who wants to create a narrative that he's the victim of some deep state coup, stated Schiff. The Attorney General has a higher responsibility than simply doing the bidding of the President of the United States, he continued. God bless. Please take a moment and consider sharing this video with your friends and family. Thank you, we appreciate it. Sharing is caring. Kindly help us to distribute our content so others can acknowledge this too, and support us in our mission to make America great again. Thanks for watching.